Hey everyone, thanks for joining me at another unboxing. We're taking a look at an Oris watch here. When I film the videos, I get them straight out of the box and I don't know what it is until after I've recorded it, so that's how you know what it is on the title. Oh, the Rega. This is the new Rega from Oris. It's a really cool watch from what I've seen the pictures of. I'm going to get a first look at it soon. I love the whole aesthetic of this watch. It looks really cool. Let's take a look. I can't wait to open this puppy. Ooh, I like little details like that, you know? I know it's just a box, but it's always cool when they dress it up a little bit more, make it a little more special. Okay, so it doesn't have anything on the inside, but let's look at the watch now. Man, look at that beautiful plastic. Now, give me a minute, I'll undo this and we'll take a closer look at this watch. It looks really great, even through the plastic wrap on here. It seems like a very cool watch. I love the color combinations, the blacks, the reds. Here we go. Through modern technology, you've seen the plastic wrap has been removed. And easy to read, really nice looking watch. This is the GMT model. You can see the GMT hand with that small little red indicator there. The case has got a gunmetal coating on it, and it's a gray PVD. And this is to help prevent glare when you're in the cockpit. And you can see the oversized crown from the big crown series. When the pilots have gloves, it makes it easier to unscrew the crown. And what's neat is on this watch you can see underneath it's got the red detailing on the strap. It gives it a unique look, and there you can see the Rega logo again on the case back. And what's neat about this clasp is they try to make it look like a seatbelt on a plane. So Rega is a group that rescues people from Switzerland. They're run entirely by donations, so it's a cool operation. It's kind of like an ambulance, but instead of a normal ambulance you see around, it's actually a helicopter that flies through the mountains and rescues people. They also have a rescue jet, and one year they rescued over 15,000 people. They had 15,000 rescue missions, so this isn't a small operation. It's pretty cool. So the crystal is a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and here you can see on the watch on my wrist. It's a really cool watch. It's just sharp looking. The size is about a 45 millimeter, and for those of you that don't know millimeters, that's about 1 3/4 inches. My wrist size is about a 7.5 inch wrist, so you can see the watch isn't too overpowering or too big. It is really nice. It's got a military feel to it and looks really sharp. The watch is 10 bar water resistance, and the strap size for you strap guys, it's a 22 millimeter, but this strap is awesome. I love the way it looks and feels, can't complain about it, and that little red detail underneath that we saw earlier makes it look really sharp. Alright, in a second, let's go take a look at this baby in the dark, and there we go. Really nice. The camera doesn't catch the lume as good, but it's really readable. Overall, great watch. Wonderful new limited edition. If you guys get a chance, I'd pick this one up.